How to change Android phone background color. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color on an Android phone. Changing the background color or wallpaper on your Android phone can be done easily through the system settings. For that, you will need to scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the square or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now in the settings page, you will need to scroll down and find wallpaper and style option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. And now inside it, here, you will need to look for a color palette option. Simply select this option and then you will be taken to this page. Here, in order to select the color palettes, first of all, you will need to enable this option that says color palette. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it and turn it on. Once you do so, now you'll be able to select the colors at the bottom. If you want to select the wallpaper colors, then you can simply tap on one of these colors available here. And if you'd like to select from the basic colors, then simply tap on this basic colors option on the tab and then select a color. Once you're satisfied with the color, simply tap on this apply button at the very bottom in order to apply the changes. By doing so, your phone's background color will be changed. This method works well on recent Android versions, Android 12 and above, and on the phones like Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.